and welcome back. Now in this session we will discuss about the Web VPN. What is the use of Web VPN and how we will access the eOffice through the Web VPN. Actually, Web VPN comes in the picture when the eOffice instance is deployed within the department on the intranetwork. That means the application which are deployed on the intranetwork can be accessed only within the office premises. If you want to access those applications from the open network or from the public network, you have to access it through the web VPN. Okay, now the office can be deployed in a department based upon the NIC network or NK network. If the eOffice application is working in both these network based, that means if you want to access it from your home or any public place, then you have to access it through the web VPN based application. That's why web VPN is important for the security concern. Web VPN actually can be configured by the VPN configuration admin team. For the access of the VPN, user must have the email valid credential. Likewise, the VPN is configurable on the eOffice instance is hosted as the intranet, and VPN administrator will configure access on user ID and password which the user have. eOffice user must have a valid credential on the email server. uh, Only those user can access the web VPN who have the active email account on the email server or NIC server. After that, how to access the eOffice by using the web VPN? First of all, we have to connect our internet to the web VPN by punching the URL success.nic.in. After that, a login page will appear. Over there, you have to provide your user ID and password, and just click on the sign in option. After that, next step will process it, and get OTP option will be visible. By clicking on the get OTP option, a user received a OTP on his registered mobile number, uh, on that number which is registered with the email. After that, a successful login, there are two options will be visible to the login user in their dashboard. User have to just click on the eOffice, and the rest of the module will work same as we work in eOffice in our eOffice instance. For the demonstration on the accessing the eOffice through the web VPN, let's take a look. This is the process how the user can access his eOffice application by using the NIC web VPN. After, you have to provide the user ID and password over there. After that, just check on the SMS token. When we just click on the check on the SMS token, OTP will be registered on our registered mobile number on email. After inserting or write down our OTP and just click on the sign in option. After the authentication process, our dashboard will be appear, and just select the eOffice application over there. By clicking on the eOffice application, we will be redirected to our eOffice Paricha page. Once the Paricha comes in our display, we have to write down our user ID and password as we usually do while accessing the eOffice application. By inserting user ID and password, just click on the next option. After that, our eOffice dashboard will be displayed. Rest of the process of dealing with file, with receipts and